In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,250 in commission just in one single month promoting affiliate links using free traffic from YouTube. Okay, I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on YouTube. For beginners, I will share with you step by step how we can join affiliate marketing business, how we can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. I will share with you guys new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share with you for free. Okay, so I made this commission in the month of March. Okay, from the first day of March until the last day of March 31. Let's update this page. So let's update this page to see if those numbers will be the same numbers. A lot of people always asking me update your page, and here you go. As you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. This is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots. I'm not like other people showing you screenshots. I made this commission, I made this commission. I share with you my affiliate account dashboard. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $3,120 available. I will get more commission and I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. Again, it can be up to 10k or 11 12k, we don't know. Okay, so anyway, so for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, so what you need to do first, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. So just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, so you can check this website and get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make a lot of money. Okay, so just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. It's super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. It's super easy. It will take just few minutes. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. So how we can choose good services? So what you will do, just open your YouTube homepage. Okay, go to your YouTube homepage like this and click over here on the search and search for and ask questions. So for example, you will ask to how to edit YouTube, for example, and here you go. You just need to ask, you can ask any question and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, and as you can see over here, this is a report search prediction. Okay, that's what people are searching for on YouTube. People are searching for how to edit YouTube videos, how to edit YouTube videos on your phone, how to edit YouTube shorts, how to edit YouTube videos on CapCut, how to edit YouTube videos on laptop. So what you will do, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, go back to your Fiverr home page, click over here on the search for YouTube editor. Okay, like this, search for YouTube editor, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are searching, who providing this service about YouTube editing. Okay, and those people who are searching for how to edit YouTube videos, okay, a lot of people will be interested to buy this service, okay, to edit their YouTube videos to make them more engaging and professional. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to choose a good seller. Okay, shows like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I will choose this one. This one has a lot of reviews, he has almost 5 star. I will click on his service. Okay, and here you go, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. What you need to do next, you need to copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tool, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click over here again, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so before we do that, we need to go back to this seller profile page, and this seller has a video explaining his service to his customers. Let's check this video.
I know that you've been looking for this is that's gonna make your videos more exciting to grab the attention and increase this audience.
Really, it's really good. Double click on this video, click on save video. Okay, and you need to save this video to your laptop. Editor, name this video editor or any name you want. Okay, after you finish, so what you will do next, you will go back to Google. Okay, and search for Canva. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Canva. So just click over here on video, you will be directly in this page over here like this. Click on upload, click on upload file, and upload this video that you download from Fiverr. Open, and here you go, your video will be uploaded. Click on your video, and your video
I know
will
that
be,
you've been looking for this.
okay, your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background. Okay, and here you go, click over here on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use, for example, this one. So just click on the text style. Your text style will be over here like this. I will delete the second one, and I will decrease the font size of this text like this and put this text here. Double click and write the sentence, check link in my description. Check link in my description. Okay, we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, like this. And put this text here. Click over here on elements and click on shape. Okay, click over here on color and choose black color. Okay, put this shape behind your text like this, and here you go. Let's check now.
I know that you've been looking for this is that's gonna make your videos more exciting to grab the attention and increase that audience retention that we all love to see. Okay, stop searching because you literally find your guy. In the past 6 years, I had the opportunity to work with.
So this person is really providing a good service about YouTube editing. Okay, as you can see, he is showing his example videos and his example work. So what you will do next, click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. After you finish, go back to your YouTube homepage. Okay, and open a YouTube channel. It's for free and it will take just a few minutes. Okay, after you open your YouTube channel, upload this video to your YouTube channel and use this title. Okay, how to edit YouTube videos. Okay, how to edit YouTube videos. You can use this one. Okay, this title, use this title for your YouTube video, how to edit YouTube videos. Okay, so people who are using this keyword, they will find your YouTube, they will find this your video in search results. Okay, they will check your this video. Let me show you. They will check this video, they will see this, check link in my description. What you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here, or you can copy your affiliate link from here. If you don't have this CPA old plan, I have old account, so for you, you can copy this one, it's almost the same. Okay, and put this affiliate link in your YouTube description. Those people who are searching for how to edit YouTube videos, a lot of people will be interested to buy this service and to make their YouTube videos more engaging and professional, and to increase audience retention and so much more. Okay, so a lot of people will be interested to buy this service to grow their YouTube channels. Okay, and if you do it correctly, if you stay consistent, you can make so much money using free traffic from YouTube. Okay, and did you know that YouTube has 32 billion monthly visitors? Okay, that's a really big number, guys. Millions of people every single day are searching for services, product topics on YouTube. Okay, every single day, because YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. So if you do it correctly, if you stay consistent, you can make so much money promoting those services as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr on YouTube. Okay, so for people who don't know exactly how to do it, how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, I will leave a link in my description below about YouTube video that I already uploaded to my YouTube channel, showing you step by step how you can do it. So subscribe to this channel, guys, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and see you in my next videos.